Hello, Scorpio Collective, Sun and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo and welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23. Kamusta po ang inyong linggo at ang inyong buwan? Nasa kalagitnaan na po tayo ng Marso. So, kamusta po ang inyong mga wishes, yung mga plans, and also yung mga bagay na tinatrabaho nyo for this month? Ano nang update sa mga yan? I want you po na ilagay nyo sa comment section kung saan po kayo nanonood ng ating vlog today, kung saan parte po kayo ng Pilipinas o ng mundo nanonood ng ating reading para makuha ko po yung energy ninyo mula ngayon. So that in the next reading o ngayon ay makuha ko po yung inyong mga energies. At maisama ko po kayo sa ating mga readings every week. Thank you again for the likes, for the shares, for the subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. Kung nyo lang po yung mga resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung iba pong information ay para sa ibang Scorpio po yun. So, hayaan nyo na po yung ibang mga detalye. Okay? Simulan na po tayo. Inhale. And exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful. Kapirahan, your legacy, family, ganyan. In the area of what you want, you have the Two of Swords. In the area of what you need, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Temperance card. In the area of your near future, you have the Seven of Cups. Wow. In the area of your challenge this week, Scorpio, you have the Eight of Wands. In the area of your fortune, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, a new beginning, a new opportunity, something na magagamit mo, monetary, kaperahan para sa future mo. Nasa area pa siya ng good fortune. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Justice card and the Eight of Cups. Beautiful. In the outcome, ngayong linggo, Scorpio, you have the High Priestess. Wow, a very powerful element para sa'yo. So pag-usapan natin yan later. At the bottom of your deck, you have the King of Pentacles. Wow, kaperahan, something na this time you are being encouraged to focus sa mga bagay na mga gamit mo in the long run. Napakaganda kasi nasa center ng reading mo at saka current energy mo ay swak sa iyong background. Meaning yung element na subconsciously at yung mga naglilinger sa life mo now ay naka-align sa bagay na gustong gawin sa iyo ng Diyos. I'm hearing that you have to take charge in your life and get this King of Pentacles element na parang work on the things. Planuhin mo mabuti, be practical this time. Huwag ka basta-basta maglalabas ng kaperahan mo o ng effort, or don't take too much risk on something nang hindi mo masyadong pinag-researchan o hindi mo muna pinagplanuhan, because you don't want to lose anything naman din on the long run, di ba? Make sure na bawat detalye tingnan mo, and be practical, be wise, maging wise ka sa mga bagay na sisimulan mo this week onwards, okay? At the center of your reading, pakaganda, magkatuwang silang dalawa, the Ten of Pentacles. I'm seeing here having this lifelong opportunity for you, meaning there will be something in your life right now na magagamit mo pang matagalan, whether hanggang retirement mo o kaya you're building a new home, a new house for your family na doon ka titira hanggang tumanda ka, or a negosyo, solid na negosyo, and you will have all the things and resources that you need para mapatayo yan at para lumago yan, at magagamit mo yan hanggang sa tumanda ka, mapag-aralan mo yung mga anak mo, mga apo mo, for example, mapapamana mo sa kanila, o di kaya something, a passion project or career that will give you your legacy. So this is really a very abundant card for you. Nasa center siya, meaning nasa element siya ng life mo. So napakaswerte mo this time, Scorpio. Ten of Pentacles being clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, this is something that you're working on for a very long time. Whether isang negosyo na matagal mo nang binubuo o tinatry mong palaguin na palakihin, this time there will be development and leveling up. For others sa trabaho, whether mapopromote ka na, o di kaya meron kang lilipatang new work where mas malaki yung sweldo, mas maganda yung posisyon, at mas pangmatagalan, mababait yung mga workmates mo, yung boss mo, may benefits, kanyan na mga gamit mo ng pangmatagalan. For others, I'm hearing for Scorpio oldies, I'm hearing darating yung pension if you're working on different papers na para makuha mo na yung mga pension mo from different agencies, ganyan. So now, meron ka na magagamit na pagkakaabalahan mo at mga gamit mo ng pangmatagalan sa life mo. I'm seeing here, polishing your work this time. Kung meron kang kailangan busisiin o pag-aralang mabuti para mag-enhance sa yung skill set, magagamit mo yan pangmatagalan. Whether halimbawa, You're trying to have mag-aral ka sa computer, ganyan. So, in the near future, maaaring makakuha ka halimbawa ng call center job or IT job. So, magagamit mo siya ng on the long run and pwede mo siyang pagkakakitaan as a stable job. For example lang yun for other Scorpio. But this time, I'm seeing here, an opportunity that will come to you ay pangmatagalan na. Solid na to this time. In the area of what you want, you have the Two of Swords. You want to choose whether this or that. Meron ka ba ngayon, parang ka nasa crossroad this time eh. Parang hindi ka makapamili o hindi ka makapag-decide about something. Whether two love lives, two people in your life, or two jobs. Ano ba dito pipiliin ko? Itong sanay na ako o may safe na sweldo o maghahanap ako ng iba pang trabaho na mas malaki ang sweldo o mas stable ang pagkakakitaan, may benefits, ganyan-ganyan. Or for others, you're choosing from different places kung saan mas maganda at mas maayos para sa'yo. So, you're in the crossroad because ayaw mo ring magkamali. You don't want to take risk that much. So, this time meron kang pinagpipilian. Ano yung mga choices mo? And you are being indecisive today, Scorpio. The Two of Swords being clarified by the Seven of Cups. Yes, options. You're having too many things in your mind right now. Hindi mo alam kung anong pipiliin mo. Ang daming potentials, ang daming possibilities ang gusto mong itry. Kung halimbawa negosyo yan, gusto mong mag-try ng iba't ibang bagay. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung best option na gusto mong simulan. For others, if you're trying to parang job hunt, hindi mo alam kung saan mo dadalhin yung mga resumes mo o kung saan ka ba pwede, saan ka pasok, ganyan. For others, there are some ideas or fantasy in your mind at hindi mo alam kung paano siya dadalhin sa reality. And you're asking, paano ko to matutupad o paano ko to magagawa? But the question here is, ano ba yung mga kaya mong gawin in order for this to come into reality? Meron kang mga bagay na hindi mo ginagawa. There's some indecision here. You're very stubborn this time, Scorpio. Parang ayaw mong kumilos because you're afraid of possible mistakes or possible failures, or you're afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. So medyo nag-aalangan ka on these things kasi may promising naman yung mga options mo, yung mga iniisip mo, yung mga ideas mo, but ikaw lang ang hinihintay to really act on it and chase it for you. In the area of what you need, you have the Nine of Pentacles. I'm seeing here, kailangan mo daw din i-enjoy ang life mo. Make sure that you are, I don't know why, but sometimes you also have to celebrate your small wins. Yung mga bagay na meron ka, appreciate them because Nine of Pentacles is a card of gratefulness. So make sure na kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, kahit na focus ka sa future, focus ka sa goal, make sure na you're living now. At yung mga bagay sa paligid mo, whether your family, your friends, yung mga ari-arian mo, kung ano yung meron ka now, i-celebrate mo yan at i-appreciate mo yan so that pag dumating yung tamang opportunity, the blessings at itong Seven of Cups ay mas ma-appreciate mo yung life because gratefulness is a magnet for abundance, for prosperity. Mamamagnetize mo yan kapag naging grateful ka sa meron ka ngayon. I know, maybe some of you were thinking, ang hirap-hirap nga ng buhay ko, wala akong ganito, wala akong ganyan. I-shift mo yung perspective mo and see kung ano yung meron ka na dapat mo ipagpasalamat. Look back 5 years from now. Isipin mo, nung 5 years before, ano ba yung mga bagay na wala ka na meron ka ngayon? That is a way for you to assess kung ano yung grateful things na meron ka sa life mo at kailangan mo ipagpasalamat. From then on, you can use that as a parang meter na parang okay, I have to be grateful because dati naman wala ko nito pero ngayon meron ako. So yes, I'm focused on the future, on my goals, but this time I have to enjoy what's now so that God will give me what I deserve because I appreciate yung mga blessings na binibigay niya sa akin. Nine of Pentacles being clarified, but the Eight of Wands, yes. There will be good news coming to you this week, Scorpio, but you need to really focus on your own happiness and I don't know why, but maging makontento ka daw because you're on the right path. You're being asked to be patient in this adventure of your life. So, dinadaanan mo now. Be patient because God is leading you to the right path. Nakaturo siya doon sa direction mo. He is leading you sa bagay na laan niya para sa'yo. So now, enjoy ka muna, relax, and don't force things. Huwag ka rin mainip. And huwag mo rin pagdudahan yung path mo, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Temperance card. You are willing to work hard on the things na alam mo mahalaga sa'yo. With this Ten of Pentacles, alam mo na magagamit mo ito pang matagalan, itong blessing na ito o opportunity na ito. And you're willing to work hard for it. This time, you're very patient. Kaya mo siyang daanan. Parang gusto mo na, okay, ito ang start ito ang daan hanggang patungo sa result. You are being encouraged to this time, huwag kang mainip. Join the tide. Daanan mo yung agos ng ilog, agos ng buhay, agos ng proseso. And don't skip. I'm hearing do not take any shortcuts here. At wag ka ring I don't know why, pero wag ka masyadong result-oriented. I'm seeing here na every step i-enjoy mo so that hindi ka mainip sa outcome at hindi mo maisip na para ang tagal-tagal. You are being guided by Archangel Gabriel here. So, Archangel Michael, I'm sorry. So, huwag ka masyadong mag-worry. I'm seeing that you are protected by your angel guides and your spirit guides, and you will be in the King of Pentacles energy here. Parang everything you touches ay magiging okay. Everything you touches turns to gold. So, huwag ka mag-alala sa mga bagay-bagay. Temperance cards being clarified by the Three of Swords. So make sure that your past mistakes, your heartaches, your sorrows, your pains, your rejections, the disappointments, gamitin mo yun so that sa proseso ng paghihintay mo, sa proseso ng paggawa mo ng mga bagay leading you to your accomplishments and to your results, ay hindi na maulot yung mga past mistakes o mga past na mga aberya. Use those lessons. I'm also hearing that for someone, kailangan mo na mag-heal. Kailangan mo na to gumaling o mag-move on from the pain, from the traumatic event or experiences na nangyari sa'yo in the past so that itong mga tinatrabaho mong bago sa life mo ay maging fruitful at hindi na ulit mauwi sa wala. Okay? In your near future, you have the Seven of Cups. Options, new doors, new opportunities. I'm seeing you a new Scorpio in the near future. Dahil nagtiyaga ka dito, dinaanan mo yung proseso, hindi ka nainip, hindi ka nawala ng pasensya, tsinaga mo, there will be doors opening up for you. I'm seeing you parang bibilib sa yung ibang tao and seeing parang, uy, magaling si matyaga yan, kinaya niya. Oo, siya yung tagtrabaho dito, kaya magkakaroon ka ng maraming, halimbawa, clients, kung meron ka mang client-based job o kaya sa negosyo mo, someone will recommend your negosyo or recommend your work, and people who are gonna see you, your potential, parang meron kang kakaroon ka ng reputasyon someday, Scorpio, in the near future, that will give you this King of Pentacles energy. Parang sila, yung grasya na ang lalapit sa'yo because you've worked hard for the things na in-acquire mo. You're getting your reputation and doors are opening up for you. The Seven of Cups being clarified by the Moon. So yes, the things na hindi ka sigurado, the things na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin, yung mga uncertainties, yung mga pagdududa mo sa sarili mo, mawawala na yan. Just trust God and trust yourself and things will opening up for you. Patapos na yung gabi, sisibol na ang araw and things will turn out clearly para sa life mo and marirealize mo, ito pala yung passion ko. Ito pala yung para sa akin. Ito pala yung I'm seeing, ito pala yung purpose ko in life. And all the worries, all the questions ay mawawala and you will see na kung ano yung mga para sa'yo in the near future. So congratulations. In the area of your challenge this week, Scorpio, you have the 8 of Wands. Challenge sa'yo, I'm hearing. Dalawang beses lumabas yung 8. Pero magkaiba sila ng meaning dito. Ito, sinasabi dito, you're on the right path, continue fighting for what you want. But since itong 8 of Wands ay nasa area ng challenge, I'm seeing here na huwag ka daw ma-distract o huwag mo pagdudahan yung life path mo o yung ginagawa mo ngayon, yung destiny mo, yung faith mo, yung nilalakaran mo na, huwag mong pagdudahan. I know sometimes mahirap, may struggle, and you're thinking, para sa akin ba talaga to? Ba't parang walang nangyayari? Hanggang kailan ba ako magpapagod? Hanggang kailan ba ako mangungutang? Hanggang kailan ko ba hanapin yung pambayad sa ganito? So the challenge for you is focusing on your goal, focusing on your wishes, focusing on your ultimate desire this time. At parang I'm hearing sinusubok ka lang kung gaano mo kagusto itong bagay na to o itong endeavor na to o itong goal na to. And still, you're on the right path. Nando ka pa rin sa direksyon na laan sa'yo ng Diyos. Kaya nga lang, huwag mong pagudahan at huwag ka rin mag-detour o mag-change ng route because that will be your challenge. Gaano ba kagusto itong bagay na to? And don't lose your sight on the prize. 8 of Wands being clarified by the King of Swords. Yes, panindigan mo yung mga bagay na ginawa mo at sinimulan mo. If this is the career path or the passion project or the negosyo na sinimulan mo in the past, dire-diretso ka lang because yan yung kaloob sa ni God na life path of blessings. Pero since we are being clarified by the King of Swords, parang sinabi dito na have a clear mind sa mga bagay na gusto mo para walang ma-delay at para dire-diretso yung pasok sa'yo ng positive energy. Also, panindigan mo yung mga decision mo. Because King of Swords all about action, taking action in his own life. Putulin yung mga bagay na ayaw na niya o mga tao na hindi na nakakatulong sa kanya, letting go of other people, places, things, situations na negative for him o hindi na nakakatulong sa kanya so that he can work out on things na importante. Be smart enough this time. Biging practical ka. Communicate with other people. Kung may gusto ka, communicate mo yun. And ultimately, panindigan mo yung mga actions mo. Okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Ace of Pentacles. A new opportunity is gonna come to you this week. Bagong blessing ito, whether pera ito o kaya new opportunity, bagong sideline, may magrereto sa'yo for a certain job, o marami kang client this time, or you will go viral for a certain I don't know kung ano man ginagawa mo online, kung kayo pa YouTuber o TikToker o anywhere, mag-viral ka and people will see your work and people will come to you and give you parang more attention that will lead to more ads and bagong kaperahan sa life mo to. But for others, parang your reputation will give you a lifelong money, a lifelong opportunity to get more monetary blessing sa life mo. So congratulations kasi para ang laking bagay nito na magagamit mo na pang matagalan. The Ace of Pentacles being clarified by the Empress, yes. Magubunga yung mga pinaghirapan mo. This pentacle na darating sa life mo, itanim mo to, alagaan mo, diligan mo lagi, mag-focus ka, bigyan mo lahat ng effort mo, pagpawisan mo ito so that it will grow. But since we have the Empress card here, ibig sabihin, mabubuo yan, madedevelop yan, lalaki yan, gaganda yan, at ipapanganak mo yan ng mas malaki, mas maganda, mas mayabong, kikita ka ng malaki dito. Seeing you're gonna be very, very happy. Because sa Empress card, lahat ng hawakan niya, lahat ng itanim niya, tutubo, mabilis, magkakaroon ng maraming bulaklak, maraming bunga. So, everything that you're working here, wag mong isang tabi itong bagong blessing na ito kasi malaki ang potential ito na iahon ka sa hirap, iahon ka sa kinalulugmukan mo now, and this will change your life for the better, Scorpio. Congratulations. In the area of your fortune, you have the Justice card and 8 of Cups. I'm seeing here, good karma is gonna come to you. There will be a truth. Sabi sa'yo ng divine advice mo, sabi sa'yo ng yung ancestors, meron kang malalamang na katotohanan for something, whether a truth about other people, your lover, your family, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, at kailangan mong umiwas o walk away from this. Be courageous enough, ang naririnig ko, maging matapang ka to walk away from people, places, things na negative yung hatid sa'yo. Because this truth, itong katotohanan na hatid ni Justice, will change your perspective and change how you view things. I'm seeing that. So, kapag lumantad sa iyo yung katotohanan about a certain person, places, things, negosyo, trabaho, o boss, o sa lover mo, have that ability to space out o dumistansya ka o ultimately leave that place or person. This is for the better, I'm seeing here, na parang inaalis ni God yung mga tao o sitwasyon o lugar sa'yo because something much better is gonna come to you. Parang you're gonna get your justice and good karma soon. So now it's the right option ay umalis o kaya dumistansya para makuha mo na rin yung katahimikan and peace of mind and a better place, makapunta ka sa better place. So, make sure na hindi ka nagduduel o hindi ka nakakasya lang sa atensyon o sa lugar na alam mong hindi ka na para doon. Know when it's katapusan na. And go out and move out and find your happiness, your peace of mind, and your clarity somewhere else. The Justice card is being clarified by the Queen of Swords. Yes, if you need to speak up, speak up. Be open to a lot of possibilities outside sa mga lugar na nakakasya ka because you feel na safe ka dito o ito yung para sa akin kaya nagkakasya ka na lang dito. Learn to find your own voice. Fight for what you think is right. Kung alam mo na agabyado ka na o yung mga tao sa paligid mo hindi na para sa'yo, cut them in your life. Learn to walk away and choose yourself. The 8 of Cups being clarified by the 4 of Wands. Yes, it's all about your stability, your family, your home. Kung ginugulo ka na ng taong ito o mga taong ito, choose your peace and celebrate life with the people that you love. Piliin mo yung mga taong para sa'yo at sa'yo, yung totoo sa'yo at saka I don't know why, but you have a lot of friends, but you don't know who are your real friends sa set of friends na yan. So, make sure that you know who's who sa life mo. And maging handa ka to cut ties with the people na are not there to celebrate your wins, are not there to help you at your downside, at yung mga tao na nandyan to lift you up and boost your confidence and makes you happy. Okay? Your outcome, the High Priestess, pag-usapan natin later. Let's have additional messages from a divine. First, you have number 41. Kung importante po sa inyo, number 41. This is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Nightingale. Kung nakita po kayo Nightingale o narinig mo yung pangalang Nightingale, whether pictures, personal, or internet, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Nightingale spirit, love is all around. Yes, kung meron ka mang iiwan in the past, kung meron ka mang kailangan tiyagain, you will find love, whether person, places, or things. It will come to you. Okay? Another message, in the flow, everything is smooth sailing. Yes. So malapit na from hardship, pag pinili mo ang sarili mo, pag ginawa mo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, you walk away from negative people, things, places, everything will run smoothly. At tinan mo, may blessings kang paparating at iyayabang tutubo yan for your own good. Ito ang area na kailangan mo pag-focusan this week, Scorpio. You have loneliness. I know that I am never alone. Yes. Like I've said, kung kailangan mag-walk away from a company na parang feeling mo hindi na deserve mo, o hindi mo na siya deserve, o hindi na siya para sa'yo, learn to walk away. And you will never be alone. Love is always with you, and people who will celebrate you and there for you at your highs and your lows will be there, and you will never be alone. Your outcome this week, you have the High Priestess. I'm seeing here na parang, parang pagkatiwalaan mo yung intuition mo, yung parang gut feeling mo na, okay, these people are not for me, or this place is not really for me, or may negative energy ka nararamdaman sa mga bagay na to. Parang you're being called to take action sa nararamdaman mo, sa gut feeling mo, sa yung intuition. You are given the power this week. Yung power na yan, hindi yan power of the sight o power of the senses mo. Yan ay divinely spiritual power na kaloob sa iyo to see things na hindi nakikita ng naked eye, to see things na parang, okay, this is not for me, okay, parang may mali dito so pakinggan mo yung intuition mo. You are being called and you have this immense power this time na kaloob sa iyo. May binibigay sa iyo ang God na signs, synchronicities, and listen to that. High Priestess being clarified by the Tower card. Yes, once napakinggan mo yung iyong intuition, your gut feeling na parang, this is not right. Okay, hindi ako pwede dito. Kailangan ko umalis dito. At ang mga taong to parang hindi to totoo Parang you're seeing the truth kahit hindi mo nakikita yung katotohanan. Parang ganyan. You are given a gift this time. So, use that to change your life, and probably this will give you the right path for wealth, for your family, for the people na importante para sa'yo. And you will acquire this wealthy. Uupo ka na lang and say na parang, okay, I'm with the right people, I'm on the right company, I'm on the right family, I have everything that I need. So thank you, Lord, for giving me the signs, the synchronicities to change my life for the better. So Scorpio, those are the things na hatid sa iyo ng spirit guides mo this March 17 to 23. Saan po kayo naka-resonate, saan po kayo naka-relate. Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for the likes, for the shares, for the subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.